Alright, what's your name?
You like that?
How old are you? No, come here, come here, come here. I'll get you some more soda if you come here. Alright, how old are you?
4.
No. How old are you? I'm recording. Say hi. How old are you? You want more soda? Alright, say how old are you?
4.
Say 3.
4.
You're 3.
I'm 3.
And who do you love?
My mom's house. I live in my mom's house.
Say I love you, mommy.
I love you, mommy.
And say I love you, big sister.
I love you, big sister.
And give me a kiss on the cheek. Aw, see how cute are you?
I'll take a picture.
Want to take a picture? Alright, go stand over there.
I'm sorry. That's not even.
Say wave.